Horses out, Alamid getting better, is running by the rail, then followed by Win Lane. Next on line, Wild Wind, Alay, then moving up is Storm Gas, Defiant, and My Ray is the early trailer. Into the turn they gallop. Alamid, he's 2 lengths in front of Getting Better. Win Lane is racing in third, alongside moving up now is Wild Wind to take third, then followed over by Storm Gas, Alay, Defiant, and My Ray is the early trailer by about 8 to 9 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, Alamid by about 2 lengths. And in second is Wild Wind, Getting Better in third. Is Storm Gas still in fourth, then followed by Win Lane, Alay, Defiant, and My Ray. And it's still Alamid by about 2 lengths. And in second is Wild Wind, Getting Better remains in third. Storm Gas moving up on the outside. Alay, Win Lane, Defiant, and My Ray as they come down at the last 200. Alamid by about 4 lengths now. Wild Wind, Getting Better is on the outside. Moving up by the rail is Storm Gas. But it's still Alamid by about 5 lengths now. But Wild Wind, Getting Better. And nearing the finish line, we have Alamid. This time by about 4 lengths over Wild Wind. And finally, Alamid. Wild Wind, Getting Better. Then comes Win Lane, Alay, Storm Gas.
32 pa yung forecast na 2